In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of utilizing our K-Myo with the second channel. We'll explain the significance of the second channel and demonstrate how to position it for quadriceps testing, with feedback on hamstring engagement from the second channel. First, we'll show you how to place the second channel, followed by a walkthrough of the assessment and its implications. To position the electrodes on the hamstrings, ask the patient to flex their knee slightly with a gentle internal rotation, targeting the semitendinosus. Locate the tendon, follow it, palpate, and identify the muscular body, similar to the previous demonstration on the muscle contour. Placing the electrodes for the second channel involves using the red and white electrodes, ensuring they are not too far apart, typically within 1 to 4 centimeters. I'll measure the distance between the electrodes, which is 3 centimeters in this case. For enhanced reproducibility, measure the distance between the start of the tendon, i.e. my anatomical reference point, and the line in the middle of both electrodes. Here, I've got 18 centimeters, so I can record this information in the test comments for reproducibility. The electrode with the black lead will be connected later. I'll place it on the bony landmark, preferably on the patella, ensuring it's the boniest part. Now have the patient turn for proper installation. Now I'll repeat the installation of the first channel, as demonstrated earlier, marking 5 centimeters above the patella, tracing a line on the quadriceps, and placing it on the muscle contour. I'll instruct the patient to contract. I'll place it in the middle. Then I'll connect the second channel, and the black channel, which enhances our signal, will be positioned on the bony landmark, either on the external condyle or on the patella. In this case, we'll place it on the patella to avoid any issues.